take so long to stay? Who my lady should have sent to me. I hold the country of limousine savage, and so I don't return there, nor will I ever go back. For she doesn't want it, for if it pleased her, this man of hers whom love holds in pledge would come toward her, whatever hour she wanted. And so I fear that you have a flighty heart, lady, toward me, and I have reason to be troubled. For if I'm troubled and another has my place, when I come back he'll be fully seized and taken, and it will be a great wrong toward me, whose the suffering is, if I lose my joy and another settles himself there. Except that I don't believe it could happen. Just as fire blazes up through the wood, the more there is of it, the greater the flame. So I'm set ablaze by her who doesn't deign to want me, from whom joy and company and song were never worth anything to me. And so I fear, love, that you're deceiving me, for you always make me love her, whatever happens to me from it. And you tell me that soon my suffering will be made whole. Beautiful lady, desire, I think, will kill me if you, whose liege man and servants I am, don't help me before my will grips me so hard and my longing kills me. For I have great need of it, sweet prized lady, and if you want disturbance, to come to me from it, since I'm your man. Yours will be the heart. Never did any man, so help and aid me God, suffer to love such great evil. I believe as I suffer, for now desire cuts through my whole heart with mortal pain. By God, love, it's not at all equal, that I should have the harm and all the trouble, and in this I don't hold you at all as fair. Often I recall the great honors and the good things and the beautiful reply she gave me, sighing, and the sweet farewell that keeps my heart captive. Then I would have needed to die before her, for just so I die from the great love that wounds me. Am I not dead then, when I can't see her? Yes, I am. For love stings toward me and attacks, so that without her life can't be worth anything to me, and nothing but she has power in me. But it weighs on me hard that now they think love fails through their annoyances, and since it's worth nothing to them, they should leave off from it and think of something else. For never through their divination will a good lady leave a heart's lover. Lord, I can't make a foolish day on the day I think of her who troubles me, for with little effort she could lighten my pain.